Well, what's up, guys? Don't mind me, I'm just taking apart my new motor.
Go.
Alright guys, so what we're doing is we're taking apart my new motor for my new project car, which is that Cobra right there. I'm taking this apart. I'm going to take it to my boy Austin at Paragon Engines, which is across the street. Right there, Paragon Engines. I'm going to put some new pistons, new rods, new bearings, seal it all up, and we're going to go racing with it. It's going to end up being a 6.2 with 12-in-1 compression with some CNC ported heads. Should be pretty fun. So yeah, if you guys want to follow the YouTube videos coming up, we're going to be building this thing with my boy Fail. Who's Fail? So my boy Fail is too shy to show his face, but you guys will see him soon. So what we're doing right now is taking the cam caps off. We're gonna take the crank off. We already took the pistons off. Austin wants just a bare block so he can start machining it. So I'm gonna give him a bare block if that's what he wants. Oh, it's hard. And I don't want your opinions. I don't want your opinions if I'm doing it right or wrong. No one really fucking asked you. If you want to watch it, watch it. If you don't want to watch it, you go watch Cletus McFarlane. He's way better than me. We're popping off the rear main seal cover so we can pull the crank off. Once we pull the crank off, we'll take it to Austin. This is all the shit that I pulled out. These are all the old pistons. These are dish, so they're lower compression. We're gonna put some flat tops, bigger ones. Old camshaft was just trash too. Alright, so now we're gonna just pull the crank off. Ooh, heavy. And that's it. We got the crank out, we got the motor empty. Alright guys, so now that we got the block disassembled, we're going to take it to Austin. We're going to start doing all the machine work. And then we can get on this case and hurry up so we can get it back fast. This car, we got to get it ready for LS Fest in Las Vegas, which is the first week of May. Let's go show you guys the car. Come on. Come on, Phil. So this is my car. It's a snake. I picked up the shell for super cheap, no motor, no transmission. It was like 900 bucks. It's pretty clean, pretty straight. It needs a nice little wash. A lot of people are really gonna not like the LS motor and the Cobra, but I don't care. I have that one still, so that's my Ford Power one. So this is my Ford one. The Cobra is gonna be borrowing these wheels. Probably end up borrowing the parachute. Nah, not really. That's Fail, look. That's Fail.
Why you gotta put me
That's Fail. See, now he's mad. So yeah, this is all the shit that we got out of it. For being like a high mileage motor, it looked pretty good. So.
On the picture? This.